Alright guys, coming to you from the mighty Midwest, and we got a Mike's Car Wash just opened up here. Mike's Car Wash is out of Indianapolis, Indiana, and because they just opened up, I guess they're giving free works washes, like the best wash that they got. So the line is long. It's a sunny winter day, about 32 degrees, and you know everybody's wanting to get their car washed. So let's go and take a look. See how long this takes. Right now it's 1:25, and we'll see how long this takes for me to get in and get the car washed at Mike's Car Wash out of Indianapolis, Indiana. I'm so sleepy. I'm so sleepy. Alrighty guys, so there you have it. And about half an hour later, with all that traffic, I'm in and out with a free $20 Mike's Ultimate Wash. So yeah, definitely thank you Mike's for the car wash, and hopefully this video will encourage others to do some business with you guys. Over and out from the mighty Midwest.